This
Today,
conference will
again, we are
now be
going to.
recorded.
Hello, everyone. Today, again, I am going to start with API testing concept, and it is on get method. Previously, as we discussed, how we get the status code, status line, and status success code message, etc. Today, we'll go and get all the headers, whatever we are getting while fetching one API. For that, let me share this first API. And today, whatever post my concept and the test case is, it is a test case on 3 and get method. What we are going to verify all the headers in our API call. Then whatever the URI we are going to test, that is REST API demoqa.com utilities/weather/city, means we are going to check the weather of one city header, and the method we are going to test get, and we are going to verify all the headers of this API call and the status code. So first of all, this is the test case. Then when we are going to verify this means API, first let me make and give a send request, and here I am going to this header option, and I am checking. See, here we are getting access control allowed origins, alert SVP, cache control, connection, content encoding. So all these labels, whatever you are showing, like content length 172, content encoding GIP, ZIP, host header. So all the things we will verify that whenever we are sending this request, these headers are coming or not, and then we'll match it with our Selenium code with this postman. So let us move and create the test case first. For that, I'm going to class and copying this test case name and pasting it here. Now finish it as we did previously. Again, I am going to create one method. All headers, then, and here I am putting one annotation at the test, though we are going to execute this test case on test.ng. Now here, whatever the previously we know, that is rest assured dot base URI equal to will give the URL name which we are going to test. So I'm copying this and it here. Now then we have to initiate an request object. So for that, request specification, HTTP request equal to rest assured dot register script given, then request specification we have to import. Now we have to create one response. For that I'm putting response equal to request method dot get, and here we have to put which end URL we are going to testing. So I'm putting here Hyderabad. And response also we have to import from. Now we have created using this response, we have to initiate the status code dot status code dot status code. Now I'm taking the printout. Then I'm just verifying whatever I'm taking it is equal or not. So assert equal expected this status code and actual I'm putting, I think it should be in without string, without double quote, because it is an integer now, and save it. And our test case is telling that we have to verify all the headers. So for that I'm just keeping, sorry, I'm just copying little code from here, this much, and putting it here. Headers, all headers means I'm initiating headers and giving the name of the headers, then the same response, then I am putting header, then here I am taking header dot is to all header, then whatever the header means whatever the header key with values I am going to retrieve it. So this much is my code. Let's execute and check it is working or not. Right click, you're gonna test it. It is executed. Yes, and the status code is 200. Dekho server NIGX. If I'll go here, then let me unverify. See, date, time, content type, application JSON, content length 172, connection keep alive, maximum age 0, capture control, then expiry Monday 20 this time, host header this one, explicit HMISS. So all the headers get verified. So this is all about the header verification. Hope you guys like this get method, API testing, and you get some knowledge. Thank you. Thanks.